In this video, I'm going to show you how to change contact photo on iPhone. So if you've not set up your contact photo or poster photo in your iPhone, you can select all this using your iPhone, and this works on iOS 15 or iOS 17 devices. So to set up contact photo on your iPhone is quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to change or set up contact photo on your iPhone is open the contact apps on your iPhone. Then this is going to look. Make sure you click on any of the contact you have on your iPhone. You can see I have all my contact. I have the Gmail contact and I have the iPhone contact. So I'll just click on any of this and then click on my card. Once you hit my card, this is what you're going to see. Then tap the contact and poster photo if it's disabled or enabled. In my case, can say contact photo and poster is disabled. Then turn this on by clicking on that. Wait for this page to load. This might take a couple of seconds. And then you can see my contact photo is missing and the poster card photo is missing. Click on the edit button. Then you can choose whichever one you want to select here. I previously set this up. So if I click on this, this is how my contact photo is going to look. So this is what you're going to see, right? Then in my case, my poster photo and contact photo once. So to set your contact photo or change the existing contact photo, you need to do is select either of this, either this or anyone in the library. Then click on this. Then once you click on that, select edit. Then click on customize. Then you'll be prompted, what do you want to choose? Is it the poster photo or the contact photo? In this case, we're interested in the contact photo, then select the contact photo. Then click on photos or camera to take pictures right away, or click on photos to select from your iPhone library. You can also use Memoji or monogram. You can also use emoji as well. So this, then click on photos, then click on the photo you want to use, then hang on and then position it very well. You can use your two hands to move and scaling just to zoom in like this. So once you're satisfied, click on the choose button, then hang on, and this is what you're going to see. Then you'll be able to choose filters as well. Choose the image filter. So choose whatever that pleases you. In this case, let's go with this. So once you're satisfied, click on the next button, then just hang on, and then click on update. Once you hit the update button, this is going to update the existing poster. Then click on done. There you go. Then tap continue. Just hang on for this page to load. And once that page loads, this is what you're going to see. And you can just hit the back button like this. Hang on now. Then you'll be prompted to preview the poster like this, or choose a different poster. Just click on choose a different poster to choose a different poster. Then go ahead and click on skip. Hang on. So while this is loading, just come here and make sure you enable name and photo sharing. Toggle on this. Then you want to change your name here. Just type in your name to customize that, and then contact only or always ask. There you go. So this is how to change your iPhone contact photos. Let's come back, and then after a couple of seconds, it will be updated and it's going to show this photo. There you go. You saw this? So this is how to change photo contact on iPhone. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.